Once you've successfully paired your ProTemp 2 Plus, it's time to position the stand or base for the best performance. Let's go over the optimal placement to ensure strong signal transmission and seamless monitoring. Our new wireless probe communicates with the ProTemp 2 Plus stand via Bluetooth, so it's important to place the stand as close to the probe as possible. We recommend keeping the distance within 5 feet or 1.5 meters. Placing the stand on a grill table close to the probe is ideal, just like this. It ensures that the stand is going to work as a signal booster, receiving data from the probe and transmitting it to your phone or watch. Another key tip is to position the stand near the gaps or openings of your grill. This helps the signal from the probe transmit easily to the stand. If your grill is airtight, try moving the stand around to find the best position for optimal strength. Once your stand receives a strong signal from the probe, you're all set to enjoy your cooking. With the ProTemp 2 Plus, you'll experience precise temperature monitoring and a hassle-free grilling experience. Remember, proper placement of the ProTemp 2 Plus stand is crucial for the best performance. For more tips and product information, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. Happy grilling!